So my name is Mario Sender. I'm the Managing Director of Transporeon Group Asia Pacific. I'm in Asia for the past 8 years almost now, and responsible of actually enlarging and growing into the Asia Pacific region with our platform products. Related to our services, which is a web-based solution to link up shippers and carriers, we do see a trend, especially in China manufacturing, where companies are moving their operations and productions from the East Coast towards the West. We see a lot of trend actually of a lot of manufacturing from China moving into Southeast Asia, which will be an opportunity for companies there to grow our business. Again, I'm trying to refer to the business we are in, and I think we are a very young business, talking about web-based software solutions. It's an upcoming and I think very much topic today. We do believe that compared to old trends in supply chain, that cloud-based solutions are picking up much faster. So compared to old days where this type of topics were discussed in IT departments before it was moved on to decision making, it's an accepted tool which is being rolled out in Asia Pacific as it is in Europe and in the US. And we do believe that it will pick up much faster and will create a very cost efficient, but also at the same time an innovative product for customers, being a shipper or a carrier. The biggest challenges for us are twofold. One thing is the diversity of the region in Asia Pacific, covering from India to Japan down to New Zealand. All countries is that the infrastructure is so different, the cultures are so different, and from our perspective, the costing model of cost of supply chain to a product, for example, differs. And that's a bit of a change for our way how to approach the business compared to Europe, where we developed over the last 12 years to be market leader. So we are finding right now different entry strategies in terms of our commercials within countries, but at the same time providing fair, effective costings for our customers. The other challenge is, I think, especially in markets like India and China, where there's still a bit of an issue with internet and stable internet connectivity, which naturally brings a challenge with web-based solutions. Some very exciting news. I think we are the first company which actually focuses on so-called transport visibility, or old-fashioned track and trace, by using an Android-based either smartphone or tablet, which is an application which we have developed over the last year and is currently piloted in Europe, which allows actually the carrier and the shipper tracking their products and trucks via this application. And I think it's also possible to integrate time slot management and then all the transport order management features you need to actually operate your transport in a professional way. And I think that's still early days here, but I think we try to be one of the innovative companies in the market, and therefore this is one thing we definitely will push over the coming years. The one thing is we have a very clear and clean strategic focus on the market. Since we're coming from Europe and only started in Asia last year, we do have a pool of almost 800 shippers, almost all MNCs, who operate on a global base. I think the first thing is on focusing on these customers to make sure that we deploy their business properly in Asia Pacific, where we did already successful in Europe and in the United States. Secondly, I think we want to make sure that every project we actually execute with our customers are done 100% and in a very professional and satisfying way for them. So I think we'd rather take on less projects and execute them very well than just being everywhere in the market, because Asia Pacific, as you probably know, is a very big region, and it takes a while to also get to places from A to B. The event, so far, we are an exhibitor here, so it's for us the first time to attend. I think the attendance from the shipper side is very good. I think there's one thing as an exhibitor which could be improved next year, is that people who try to bring the products to the market, try to offer the services, would like to get a little bit more airtime. I think it's something you could reconsider on your future organizations. But overall, I think we're quite happy and satisfied.